Why does water freeze in winter? Have you ever wondered why water suddenly turns into hard ice in winter? Think about a cold morning. You wake up, you touch the water tap, and brr, it's icy cold. But yesterday, that same water was flowing and splashy. So what changed? Imagine water is made of teeny tiny dancers. You can't see them, but they're always moving. When water is warm, these dancers zoom around, bumping and sliding past each other. That's why water flows like a river. Now picture winter arriving. The air gets colder, the dancers start slowing down, their jumps turn into tiny steps, and then freeze. When it gets super cold, around 0 degrees, something magical happens. The dancers stop running and grab hands. They line up neatly like soldiers in rows. No more sliding, no more flowing. That's when water becomes ice. Whoa, here's the cool part. Ice actually takes up more space than water. That's why ice cubes float instead of sinking. So next time you see ice, remember, it's just water's tiny dancers standing perfectly still. Now, here's a fun question. What do you think happens to those dancers when ice starts to melt again?